Many people want to go out at sea and learn, and I wanted to give those people hope and especially tools and inspiration to work towards a better ocean in this case. I was working in Ópal already and in North Sailing Company as a guide, but also I'm a marine biologist, so I was always really eager to do something for the environment. That's always my first priority, even if I am working on tourism. We set sails and it was a great success, and we have performed 12 surveys on plastic on the surface, on microplastics. The most shocking results, the highest amount of plastic was just here in this bay. Very, very, very special for whales, and that's why we can see here the whales, because they are come here to eat every summer. Whales are extremely important for fighting against climate change. It's been reported that one whale has the same value than planting 1,000 trees. So when we want to save the climate and we want to save the planet, we tend to focus on the land and the trees and planting trees. The truth is, like saving a whale, we are planting 1,000 trees. And thanks to the whales, we have the oxygen we can breathe. Because the whales are eating on this krill and little sand eels, so very tiny fish. But when these huge whales, the baleen whales, when they are traveling, they are spreading out all these nutrients, by digesting them and, all the cycle. So they are considered like biological pumps. And that basically means the more whales we have, the more nutrients we have, and the more nutrients we have, the more phytoplankton we have. And the phytoplankton is the most necessary element in the whole marine ecosystems, because thanks to this phytoplankton we can breathe. More than 50% of the oxygen comes from the seas. So it's not only about saving the marine life, but it's also about ourselves and any other life in the whole planet that we call Earth.